What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. I just wanted to hop on and make another quick video. Today we're going to be talking sprinklers. I've got some sprinklers that have become buried from my grass, just kind of overgrowing over the sprinkler heads. So today we're going to be showing you a product that you can use that is very simple and easy to get those sprinklers lifted up a little bit and to maximize the watering efficiency from each sprinkler head. The product I'm going to be using is the Kap-It Riser. This company has sent me this product to test out and give a review on, so I'm excited to be able to do that. Alright, so inside of this kit they sent me, there is 2 caps and there's also 2 risers. Here you've got your just average pop-up sprinkler. You're going to raise up the pop-up, and this orange piece is acting as your nozzle. You're going to go ahead and screw off your nozzle, screw on your riser, and then you can take your Kap-It pop, kind of slide that on, slide your nozzle back on, and then you're going to push hard and pop that cap on. So essentially you're raising that up by 1.5 inches. So when your sprinklers come on, it's going to be 1.5 inches taller. And something else you can also do that I'm not going to be doing is you can kind of double these up as well. So in this instance, you're just going to take your risers, screw both of those on, take your cap number 1, cap number 2, and then your nozzle, screw it on, and then you click those together, and click those together, and then you've increased your riser by 3 inches there. I could really only see somebody utilizing this process in a garden bed just to increase the height, just to shoot over some bushes or whatever other things you've got in your garden. So let's go ahead and get started on the actual installing of this. Other tools I'm going to be using to assist with this process is some channel locks to hold up the pop-up and a knife just to dig around some of the grass that is covering my sprinkler heads. Right along this edge I've got about 3 sprinkler heads, but without turning my sprinklers on I cannot find any of them. That is how buried they are. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the zone and find out where each sprinkler is. This zone is zone 5. So you can see I've got a sprinkler right there. It's buried in the grass, barely even making it over the grass. And same with this guy over here. I think those are the 2 sprinklers I'm going to be working on today. And let's see how well this works. Alright, so right down in here is the first sprinkler. I mean, I don't even know if you can see it, but it's down there. So we're going to cut out a little bit here with the knife and get this Kap-It riser installed. And I can now access the entire sprinkler head. And this company actually has another tool that you can use to cut out the grass and dirt around the sprinkler head. It's called the Cut It with a K. Looks like a good product as well. I'm gonna lift up the pop-up, and then I'm gonna take my channel locks and I'm just gonna clamp them onto there. That way I don't have to hold it with my hand. Alright, and then I'm gonna remove the nozzle and the filter. Check my filter, make sure it's clean, and it is. And I'm going to take my 1.5-inch riser and I'm going to screw that on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Just hand tighten. And then I'm going to take my cap, slide that on. No. And my nozzle with the filter, screw that back on. And I'm going to remove my channel locks, let that drop, and then I'm just going to push straight down, and you'll hear that click in, and you are all set. I'm going to come back with some of that grass and kind of fill in. Alright, let's go take care of the other sprinkler. Here's my second sprinkler. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to cap this one as well. So again, I'm just going to dig around the diameter of that sprinkler head, cut out the grass and the dirt. See how buried that is? It's actually pulling up the pop-up with dirt that I dug out. Alright, so that's dug out. Now we're going to go ahead and cap it. So first thing, I'm going to grab the pop-up, lift her up, and I'm going to take the channel locks, lock that into place, remove the nozzle with the filter. See that water pooling out of there. And I'm going to take the 1.5-inch riser and I'm going to screw that on, just hand tighten. So after I've got the riser installed, I'm going to slip on the cap, insert the filter, and twist on the nozzle. And I'm going to remove my channel locks. Again, just push till you feel it clicking. Check that out. All of this grass and roots were on top of the base of the pop-up, so the pop-up was actually sticking right through there and sticking through there. And then you can actually see here, it says Hunter on the base of the roots there. Pretty crazy. Anyway, so I've got that installed. Now I might have to adjust the nozzles, make sure that their spray pattern is shooting directly where I want it. Now you can see that sprinkler is shooting up a lot better. That's the first one. Not hitting any grass now. And there's the second one. Again, not hitting any of that grass like it was before. I am completely satisfied with this product. In fact, I'm going to be purchasing some more and throwing them in other spots throughout my yard. I've got a few more sprinklers that I've got to work on, and I'm happy with this. Alright, so my honest opinion on this product is that it is awesome. I give it an A+. It is very simple to use, very effective. Now we'll just see kind of how it holds up over time. It's kind of the real test here, I guess, but I don't see any flaws in the design. Right now, I think it's awesome, and it's going to be really great for my lawn. It's great for my sprinklers. I'm really happy with it. So if you want to purchase this product, you can go directly to the Home Depot website and search Kap-It with a K. That's K-A-P-IT. And that will take you right to the sprinkler risers, and you can go ahead and purchase those. I'll also leave a link down in my description below. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Otherwise, please go ahead and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.